In our latest video about product setting, we covered setting up a product category. In this video, we'll guide you through creating an individual product listing for a reservation system, referred to as a product child. The product child represents the specific product options that customers can choose from. For example, a customer might select lunch buffet as the product category and 2 adults as the product child option. To begin creating your product child, which is the specific product selection, click on the Add Product button found within the product group. Afterward, choose the product type, opting for standard in this instance. Then, fill in the necessary product settings such as product name, short name, stock keeping unit, price, and currency. You also have the choice to duplicate settings from an existing product to streamline the process and avoid repetition. Finally, hit that Save button to preserve your product child settings. Perfect! Now, let's delve deeper into the details by inserting the product information for the product child. Begin by filling in the required fields, including relevant tags to aid in filtering and searching. Next, and crucially, input both the listing price and discount price for the product. The listing price represents the original price, while the discount price reflects any reduced pricing. If no discount is applicable, enter the same value as the listing price. Lastly, select the available branch for the product child and specify the days when this product child can be booked. This ensures clarity and availability for your customers. After inputting the required fields, let's move on to the optional fields. You can leave these fields empty if they're not needed, but they can be surprisingly useful. Firstly, enter the tracking product name. This is used by external tracking systems like Google Analytics. If left blank, the system will default to using the name field. Next, for pricing considerations, if you want to offer an additional discount on top of the discounted price, enter the additional product discount. For example, input 90 for a 10% discount, 70 for a 30% discount, and so on. If there's no additional discount, leave it blank and the discount rate will apply to the discounted price. Moving on to pricing details, enter the product service charge if your business requires service charges. Additionally, fill in the product deposit amount if you want customers to pay a deposit to avoid no-shows. Finally, let's address the product availability for the product child. Input the opening hours of your business in this section. Keep in mind that this information is for reference only and won't impact your campaign availability. You have the freedom to input free text, allowing you to communicate any necessary details such as limitations or conditions, like if the product is only applicable for outdoor use. Next, let's manage the settings related to the product selection that customers can make. Start by setting the quantity starting value, which determines where the quantity selector begins. Leave it blank to start from 0. Then, you can control the quantity per order by entering the minimum order quantity and maximum order quantity for the product child. Note that the minimum order quantity must be equal to or less than the quantity starting value. Additionally, you can set the lifetime availability of the product child by filling in the quota. If you prefer to limit availability day by day, specify the daily quota. For example, if you input 10, customers can only place 10 orders for this product child per day. In addition to managing order amounts, you can also set the time availability for your campaign. Specify the booking begin and end date to indicate the start and end date of your bookings. Bookings can only be made within this period. If you're interested in offering giveaways to your customers with a minimum purchase, check out our giveaway tutorial video for more information. Finally, ensure the status is set to enabled and click Save to activate your product child settings. Remember, you can create multiple product children within one product category, such as adult buffet, child buffet, and more. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your product settings. With the product category and product child in place, you're ready to start your reservations. Best of luck and don't hesitate to reach out if you need any assistance.